Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to the channel where magic meets imagination, and where trash gets a second chance at life. If you've ever looked at a pile of discarded items and thought, that belongs in the bin, think again. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of upcycling and showing you step-by-step how to turn everyday trash into stunning wall art without spending a dime. We'll be transforming everyday items like plastic bottles, newspapers, cardboard, and even broken jewelry into beautiful decor. It's all about seeing the hidden potential in what you already have and unleashing your inner artist to create something totally unique and personal for your space. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started on your creative journey, this video is packed with fun, accessible ideas you can try today. So grab your glue guns, gather your recyclables, and let's get started on this awesome creative adventure together. And remember, we're not just saving money, we're saving the planet one piece of trash at a time. First up, we're tackling geometric cardboard wall art. Yes, we're taking humble cardboard and turning it into a super stylish statement piece for your walls. Find a sturdy piece of cardboard or foam board as your base. Cut various geometric shapes from more cardboard: triangles, squares, diamonds, and rectangles. Lay them out on your baseboard, playing around with the arrangement until it feels balanced. Once you're happy with the layout, glue the pieces down. Paint your creation in monochrome tones or vibrant colors and add metallic paint for extra dimension. Add hanging hardware and voila! A stunning custom piece of geometric wall art. Next, we're diving into rolled newspaper flower art. Gather your old newspapers and tear them into long strips. Roll each strip tightly around a skewer or pencil, securing the end with glue. Slide the rolled tube off and repeat until you have a bunch of these tubes. Flatten each tube and shape them into petals or coils. Glue the petals together to form flowers or create decorative coils. Use wire, twine, or more newspaper tubes for the flower centers and stems. Assemble your flowers on a sturdy base, arranging them into a bouquet or abstract design. Spray paint your creation for a sophisticated look, or keep the raw newsprint for vintage charm. Let everything dry completely. Your delicate 3D floral art is ready to display. Ready for a pop of color? Let's create a plastic bottle cap mosaic. Start collecting bottle caps in various colors and sizes. Wash and organize them by color. Choose a base like sturdy cardboard or plywood and sketch your design. Glue the caps down, starting from the center or key outline. Fill in your design, leaving slight gaps for a mosaic feel. Use smaller caps or cut caps to fit awkward gaps. Optionally, fill gaps with beads or buttons. Spray with a clear sealant for a polished finish. Attach hanging hardware, and your vibrant mosaic is ready to brighten any wall. For all my fellow magpies, let's create a boho-style wall hanging using broken jewelry. Gather mismatched or broken pieces. Choose a base like a fabric-covered board, wood slab, or canvas. Lay out your jewelry pieces and arrange them into a shape or abstract design. Secure each piece with strong craft glue. Add layers of lace, fringe, or embroidery for extra texture. Consider weaving in ribbon or twine. Once everything is glued and dry, add a wire hanger or frame it in a shadow box. Your boho wall hanging is ready to dazzle. Display it proudly. Enjoy the stories and memories each piece holds. Prepare to be amazed by toilet paper roll 3D art. Save up those cardboard tubes. Press them flat and cut into equal width rings. Pinch the rings into petal shapes. Glue the petals together to form flowers or patterns. Paint your creation for a modern or rustic look. Frame it in a shadow box or glue it onto a canvas. Your elegant 3D art is ready to impress. Display it where it can be admired. Add sparkle to your walls with a CD mirror mosaic. Gather old CDs or DVDs. Wear safety goggles and cut the CDs into random shards. Choose a base like wood or canvas and sketch your design. Glue the CD pieces with the reflective side up. Leave slight spaces between pieces for a mosaic effect. Optionally, grout the spaces for a polished look. Add a protective clear coat. Attach hanging hardware. Hang your mosaic where it can catch the light. Enjoy the shimmering effects. Now that you've seen these amazing upcycling projects, here are some extra tips. Mix media for unique textures. Go seasonal or thematic with your designs. Don't overthink it. Embrace imperfections. Display your art proudly in various spots around your home. Create a gallery wall, a fun backsplash, or a feature panel. Let your personality shine through your decor. Have fun and be proud of your eco-chic masterpieces. Who knew everyday trash could turn into beautiful art? Whether it's a rolled newspaper flower or a CD mosaic, you've got the tools to create something unique and budget-friendly. If you loved these ideas, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more eco-friendly DIYs. Tag us on social media or comment below with your creations. Keep creating, keep upcycling, and turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Make your space beautiful and uniquely you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye, creative weirdos.